Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Mirraco BMX Rider 12 here, and I'm gonna do a updated bike check on my Mirraco because I got some new parts. So I'm gonna go from the front to back. I got same Animal Edwin grips with Animal bar ends. I have Hoffman Bama bars, 8-inch rise, 29 wide. Yeah, 29. Nitrous Trap front load stem. Cane Creek headset. I think this is an Odyssey fork. I don't know what kind though. Got it off my cousin. And he said it was Odyssey. But he repainted it black. Fit FAF in 2.25. White wall, of course. I got a new front rim. I got it's a Wise hub. Laced to a, black sheep rim that I spray painted. And then just the regular spokes, black spokes, because I'm not into all that gay titanium spokes and crap. And I got my frame spray painted too. And I got the Odyssey twisted PCs. And I am running 2 different kinds of cranks. So yeah, it's kind of ghetto. Sorry, I came sideways, that's dumb. This is a Black Label light crank, and the other side is in purple, and it's a Black Label CS2 crank. They both run the same spindle, and I built this bike pretty much out of parts because I broke a lot of stuff. So yeah, mechanic half-link chain, Black Label light, 25 tooth sprocket in purple. Black Label plastic pivotal seat with a it's kind of like a plastic seat post that I cut down to, and it stops about right there. So yeah, probably about that much seat post. And Animal Tom Whitewall tire and 20 by 2.0. Pretty good tire. And I got Shadow Conspiracy hub guard, Shadow Conspiracy little ones pegs, and then I got a Haro 25.9 hub, and that's like what it's called. I don't know. They got weird names, but that's all good. And laced to a Haro Hypno rim with black spokes because I'm not rich and I don't like riding my bike riding a ghetto bike. Oh yeah, and the frame is a Mirraco number 7, and it's got a 21-inch top tube. So yeah, that's my bike check, and I'm gonna do another video on my other frame that I just got. It's pretty cool. So alright, later.